Now, obviously, it's May 5th. It's Cinco de Mayo. Oh, listen. 300 of us. I'm glad you brought this up. VC, WVC, I'm glad you brought this up. In honor of today, the 300 of us to fight millions in cancel culture, I'm going to do my part. I prepared something for the show. I got something for y'all, something special in honor of Cinco de Mayo. Are y'all ready? I say, are y'all ready? Drop the track.